Now let's take a look at mode, mean, median for ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, mode has the same definitions as previous what we talked about. Definition of mode is the value of data with the highest frequency. Right? Mean. This is mean equals to summation of frequency multiply the data over summation of frequency. And for median, it's the same. Median term n plus 1 divided by 2. Now let's take a look at this example. Given by questions, this is table provides this information. Number of children 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then numbers of family. Yeah. Four families that have 0 children. 8 families that have 1 children. So far and so on. And we are asked to find the mode, median, and mode, mean, and median. Okay. First of all, let's look for mode. Mode is the value of the data with the highest frequency. Highest frequency 6. Okay. So the mode is 16. The mode is 2. Number of children. Okay. Then let's look for median. Mean. Mean is summation of fx. This is the frequency. This is the x data. So this multiply this, okay, over the frequency of the number of frequency, right? So here fx 0 multiply 4 is 0 plus 1 multiply 8 8 plus 2 multiply 16 32 plus 3 minus 30 39 plus 6 multiply 4 24 plus 5 multiply 3 15 divided by how much is here? 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 13 plus 6 plus 3. We have total 50. Okay? Divided by 50. So what we got here? 8 plus 32 plus 39 plus 24 plus 15 divided by 50. The mean is 2.36. Meaning, mean for this set of data is 2.36 children for each family. Right? Then let's look for median. T n is equal to 50. So 50 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 51 divided by 2 is 25.5. Right, 51 divided by 2 is 25.5. So meaning the median is in between 25th term and 26th term. So which one is 25th term, which one is 26th term? We don't know, right? So we do a cumulative frequency. Let's do a cumulative frequency. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 16 is 28. 28 plus 13 is 41. 41 plus 6 is 47. 47 plus 3 is 50. This is the cumulative frequency for this set of data, right? So we are looking for 25th, in between 25th and 26th term. 25th and 26th over here is 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 2. So the median for this data is 2. Let's take a look at group data in statistics. So in group data, there is also three terms: means, median, and model class. So means average, the class midpoint. Okay, x equals to class midpoint, f equals to frequencies. So summation of class midpoint multiply frequencies over summation of frequencies. Okay, you might wonder what is class midpoint. And take a look at this table. In group data, the data will be given in form of table. So as you can see, length is in cm. This column is frequency. This column is cumulative frequencies. Alright, the data given: length cm 4 to 5 cm, 6 to 7 cm, 8 to 9 cm. So when it's being class midpoint, meaning the middle of 4 and 5. In this case is 4.5. This case is 6.5. This case is 8.5. Alright, frequency is frequency over here. Then median. Okay, median is a bit complicated in this case, so they have their own formula. M is median. M equals to Lm, lower boundary of median class. So what does that mean by lower boundary of median class? Take a look at this table. So how the maximum frequency is 53. You can find it from the cumulative frequency here. 3 plus 5 plus 14 plus 31 is 53. So before we look for Lm, lower boundary of median class, we find out which one of these is the median class. So 53 divided by 2 is 26.5, right? 26.5. Take a look at this cumulative frequency. 26.5 is over here. Okay? In this class. So 10 to 11 is the median class. Okay? Then what does lower boundary means? Okay? We already found out this median class is 10 to 11. The lower boundary means that I put it here. Okay, you can see there is a gap between 9 and 10. So in order to get the lower boundary and the upper boundary of this class, this will be 9.5 to 11.5. Here is 7.5 to 9.5. There is 4, not 4. This case is 5.5 to 7.5. This case will be 3.5 to 5.5. Notice how I get the lower and upper boundary. It's just the lower part, the smaller number from the class, add up the previous class, then divided by 2. Meaning 10 plus 9 divided by 2. So we get 9.5. Okay? 10 plus 9 equals to 19. 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. So the lower boundary is 9.5. So for here, 8 and 9, how do we get the lower and upper boundary? So lower boundary, 8 plus 7 divided by 2 will be 7.5. Then the upper boundary here is 9 plus 10 divided by 2 is 9.5. So we each of the classes we follow it, then we will get the lower boundary and upper boundary. So notice the lower boundary is just minus 0.5 in this case. Not all the cases are the same. just in this case, all the lower boundary, we just minus 0.5 here. All the upper boundary, we just plus 0.5. So on this median class, you can get 9.5 for the lower boundary and 11.5 for the upper boundary. So LM, lower boundary of median class. So in this example, this is 9.5, lower boundary of median class. And sum of frequency, meaning just add up all the frequency. Alternately, we can get the bottom of the cumulative frequency, which is 53. Cumulative frequency before the median class. So median class is 10 to 11. So this is the median class. Cumulative frequency before the median class, meaning before the class is 8 to 9. They are asking for cumulative frequency is 22. FM, frequency of median class. Median class is over here, 10 to 11, the frequency. Be careful, they are asking for frequency. Small f is frequency. So frequency is 31. So last, C, size of the median class. So size of the median class, what we use? We use this upper and lower boundary. So the bigger value minus the smaller value. So this will be 11.5 minus 9.5. How much we get? 2, right? So then after we got it, all this value, we put inside and we can get a median, right? Okay. Let's take a look at this one. Okay. LM is, okay, right this way. LM median is LM 9.5 plus n divided by 2, 53 divided by 2 minus f, cumulative frequency before the median class. In this case is 22 over FM, frequency of median class. In this case is 31. And C, size of the median class is 2. So by using the calculator, how much we can get? 53 divided by 2 is 26.5 minus 22 divided by 31, then multiply 2, then plus 9.5. So 9.79 cm. Okay? This will be the median for this data. Right? So and there is one more last term for group data, which is model class, or what we call previously is mood. So the definition is the same. Model class is meaning class with the highest frequency. Okay. In this case, class with the highest frequency is 10 to 11, because these class have 31 in terms in their frequencies. And mean, let's take a look at mean using this data, right? So mean is equal to fx, frequency is over here, class middle point. Alright, class middle point is plus midpoint. Alright? 4 and 5 will be 4.5. 6 and 7, 6.5. 8 and 9, 8 and 9 we got 8.5. 10 and to 11, 10.5. Okay? So here, summation of fx. Summation of fx, okay? 3 multiplied 4.5 plus 5 multiplied 6.5 plus 14 multiplied 8.5 plus 31 multiplied 10.5. And then add up together divided by summation of frequency. In this case is 53. Then you get your mean for this data. Okay, now let's take a look at this example. Given by the question this table and the median of this data is 5.5 and we are asked to find the value of k. So before we start, let us calculate the cumulative frequency. So first one is 2. Second one is 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus k is 6 plus k. 6 plus k plus 6 is 12 plus k. 12 plus k plus 2 is 14 plus k. Okay? And we got the median 5.5 given by the questions. And we are asked to find the value of k. So this is the formula for median in group data. So first of all, find out which class is the median class. So 5.5. 5.5 is over here, right? 5 in between 5.3 and 5.6. So this will be the median class. Okay? Once we determine the median class, then we can go for all these. L, lower boundary of median class. So in this case is 5.2 plus 5.3 divided by 2 is LM is 5.2 plus 5.3 divided by 2 is 5.25. Right? So N is the summation of all this frequency. In this case is 14 plus K. So N equals to 14 plus K. F, the big F, meaning cumulative frequency before the median class. So median class is this one, 5.3 to 5.6. This is the median class. So cumulative frequency before median class is 6. So one class before median class is 4.9 to 5.2. And the cumulative frequency is 6. So big F equals to 6. So small fm, what does that mean? Cumulative frequency of, is the frequency of median class. So this is K. And C. C is the medium class size. Medium class size. So C will be lower boundary is 5.3 5.25. Upper boundary is 5.6. 5.6 plus 5.7 divided by 2 is 5.65 minus 5.25. -5.65 minus 5.25. And it is 0.4. Okay, now we have all this information. Let's substitute all this info into this equation and look for value of K. So, M median 5.5 equals to LM 5.25 plus N divided by 2, 14K, 14 plus K divided by 2 minus F is 6 over FM. FM is K. Then the class size 0.4. Okay, then we handle the numerator over here first. Okay, so we get 5.25, then is plus 14 plus K minus 2 multiply 6, so that we get common denominator will be 12 over 2 over K. Then multiply 0.4. 14 minus 12 we get 2. So here we got 5.25 plus 2 plus K. So these two we can put it bottom, still the same, 2K. Alright? 0.4. Okay, 0.4 multiply in it. What we got? Okay, instead of multiply in it, let's do it this way. Move 5.25 to the left hand side. So we got 5.5 minus 5.5 minus 5.25 equals to 2 plus K, 2K. Right, then this 0.4, move it to the left hand side, become 1 over 0.4. Okay, then we calculate the left hand side first. 5.5 minus 5.25 divided by 0.4. We got 0.625 equals to 2K, 2 plus K over 2K. 2K move here and will become 1.25 K equals to 2 plus K. So K moving here become 0. Become K. Become 1.25 K minus K equals to 2. That means 0.25 K equals to 2. Then K is equals to 8. So if you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain it to you.